In this video, we'll walk you through the process of installing your SimpliSafe Smart Lock. In order to install, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and painter's tape. The SimpliSafe Smart Lock is only functional with single-cylinder deadbolts. How do you tell that your lock has a deadbolt? Here are a couple ways to check. Is the lock separate from the handle or doorknob? Does your lock have a separate keyhole on the outside? Deadbolts have a thumb turn on the inside of the door and a keyhole on the outside. Now that you have the right lock, let's install your SimpliSafe Smart Lock. On the outside of your door, place a strip of tape over the deadbolt to keep it secure. We use painter's tape here, or you can use the adhesive strip from the front of the provided installation guide. Do not remove the outdoor portion of the deadbolt. Unscrew the deadbolt from the inside, keeping the screws for a later step. Remove the mounting plate from the smart lock by sliding out the wing latches. Place the mounting plate on the door and install using screws you just removed. Be sure not to over-tighten them, as this may damage the mounting plate. If the mounting plate is not secure and is loose, please use the included washers. We've provided 4 different thumb turn adapters for your door and different colors for your reference. If your door's tailpiece is diagonal, you'll use the green adapter. Vertical or horizontal tailpieces, we'll use one of the other 3 adapters. The notch at the top of the adapter should aim up and away from your door opening. Align the correct one that fits your door and slide it over the tailpiece. Both the deadbolt and SimpliSafe Smart Lock should be in the unlocked position. Pull open the wing latches on the Smart Lock body and ensure they still slide out. Slide the SimpliSafe Smart Lock over the adapter, slowly turning the thumb turn until it aligns, and slide snug to the mounting plate. You may need to move your lock a bit to ensure it aligns properly. Secure the lock by pushing the wing latches inward so they clamp onto the mounting plate. Test the SimpliSafe Smart Lock by manually turning the thumb turn to lock and unlock the bolt, ensuring the bolt locks and unlocks smoothly. Next, we will install your pin pad. Use the double-sided adhesive or provided screws to mount the pin pad to the outside of the door or just off to the side. You'll need to leave at least 3 inches below the pin pad so you can access the batteries. Follow these steps to activate your lock. The Smart Lock can be added from your system's keypad. Bring your SimpliSafe system's keypad close to the door for an easier install. Select Menu. Enter your PIN. Select Devices. Press Open. Select Add Device. Select Lock. Then press Add. You'll then receive a pop-up saying, "Have you installed the Smart Lock on your door?" Select Yes. You'll now see a pop-up saying, "Press Test button" behind the front cover of your lock. Your base station will now be in setup mode. On the Smart Lock, remove the battery cover. Press the button above the LED indicators. Back on the keypad, select a name from the default options, or scroll to the bottom and select Other to type in a custom name. You'll be asked to manually lock the deadbolt. Once you have, press Done on the keypad. The Smart Lock will now calibrate by configuring the correct locked and unlocked positions. If you have an entry sensor on the same door, you can sync it with your Smart Lock. The sensor is how the system knows when your door is closed. If you want to sync, press Yes. Press the Test button on the entry sensor. Then press OK when you're ready to complete setup. Before you leave the app, you can customize your lock by clicking the Menu button, My System, Device Settings, then selecting your lock. You can change settings such as how your device behaves in the Off, Home, and Away mode. If you have any issues with your smart lock, be sure to check for a firmware update. If there's an update available, you'll get a notification on your dashboard. Keep your phone close to the smart lock while installing any updates. Now your smart lock is all ready to go. If you need more information, visit simplysafe.com.